Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Bruno and I was tagged by Krissys' channel to do 12 fall questions. So the first question is, what is your favorite fall scent? My favorite fall scent is definitely apple and cinnamon. I love the way the apples and cinnamon smell from a candle. It's so nice. Number 2 is the best way to spend a rainy day. That would definitely be stay home, curl up on the couch, and watch movies. Number 3 is a favorite fall drink. I really don't have a favorite fall drink, but if I had to answer, I guess it would be like hot chocolate. Okay, number 4, football, yay or nay? That would be a nay. I'm not into sports. I'll look at it for a couple of minutes and then I'll turn the channel. Number 5, favorite article of fall clothes. That would definitely be a sweatshirt and jeans. Number 6, haunted house or hayride. Well, I've never gone to a haunted house and I've been on a hayride. I like both. I would probably pick a hayride. Number 7 is the scariest movie you've ever seen. That would have to be the Amityville Horror. Amityville Horror house is nearby. They filmed that house because of a lot of things happening there from years ago. There were deaths there, and it is a nice house. But yes, they made it into a movie years ago, and I think that is the scariest one I've ever seen. Number 8, favorite candy. That's easy. It would have to be Reese's or Kit Kat or M&M's peanut. They're so good. Number 9, what will you or your kids do for Halloween? Well, I just waited for kids to show up, and there weren't that many kids that showed up, and mostly the older ones. Number 10, fall recipe, my favorite fall recipe. That would have to be a delicious ricotta pie. It's been in my family for years and I make the best one. Number 11, my favorite thing about fall. That would have to be the temperature and the leaves turning different colors on the tree. And number 12, who will you tag for this? I have to say LoriLee's Small World and BonedaddyToo. So those are the 2 people that I'm tagging to do the fall questions. Okay guys, comment, like, share, and subscribe. This was fun. Okay, bye guys.